This is my favorite plane in our collection, the Wildcat. This was brought up out of Lake Michigan, where it crashed during pilot training in World War II. It's probably a little small for you to read there, but that's the story of it. Somebody had to ditch off the training aircraft carrier, and the plane sank down into the lake. It was recovered more than 50 years later, and then eventually it was donated to us, where it was brought back into perfect condition. It literally looks brand new, like it's straight out of the factory. Look at the pistons, my God. So well done. Probably didn't look this good when it came out of the factory, right? See the bent wings for storage on the aircraft carrier. All the way around to the tail here. The Wildcat was the only Navy plane, I believe, that served through the entire war, from Pearl Harbor